Welcome to NAB Show, New York. On an immersive show floor full of cutting-edge companies, you'll find solutions and discover alternative workflows in a whole new way. Ashley with InBroadcast. Joining me is Justin of AIDA Imaging. Hello.
Hi, how you doing?
Very good, thank you. So tell me, where does AIDA Imaging stand right now in the media and broadcasting industry?
Yeah, so we here at AIDA Imaging, we produce a lot of broadcasting cameras and gear, such as POV cameras and PTZ cameras. Right now we're heavily into the NDI game, so we've developed our brand new HX3 versions, as you can see right in front of us. We also have a PTZ as well that is also HX3, and we're looking more to developing full NDI as well as 12G SDI solutions in the future.
Very good. And what trends are you noticing as far as your technology in the media and broadcasting world right now?
Oh, so when I first started, this is about like 5 years ago, we were using these for like conferencing cameras as well as like houses of worship. But as we've seen and progressed, these guys have been putting more on like different kind of use cases, such as like rocket ships and machine vision, AI learning, and all that stuff. So we're very interested to see where it goes from here, basically.
Yeah, everywhere. Wow. And so what's new for you here at NAB New York? What are you showcasing?
Yeah. So HX3 is our new thing. We want to be able to basically educate the market on what HX3 provides. It just provides more bandwidth, better picture quality than HX does, and it's definitely better for newer or existing workflows that require a little bit better imaging, but don't have the full commitment to full NDI as a lot of other customers use. Mm-hmm.
Nice. And what would you say is the future of the company, or what are your latest developments? What can we expect from you in the near future?
So definitely more POV cameras. You're going to see more PTZ cameras. We're going to come out with bigger sensor cameras. We're also going to come out with more usable cases like fiber ports and audio ports, XLR inputs. So just an evolving, more professional, more high-tech versions of cameras that you see now coming in the future.
Very nice. Certainly look forward to that. Thank you so much for talking to us today.